Like the video and let's begin. Saturday morning. Emma and Alex are standing next to a small car. They have two backpacks.
Are you ready for the trip?
Almost.
Almost?
Yes, I need 1 minute.
Alex, you said that 10 minutes ago.
I know. I'm checking my bag.
Your bag is very small. What do you have inside?
Clothes, food, my camera, a book.
And your phone?
My phone is here.
Good. And the hotel?
The hotel is on my phone.
Great. So we have the hotel address?
Yes.
We have food?
Of course there is.
Water?
Yep.
And a map?
Yes.
Perfect. Then let's go.
Wait.
What now?
I forgot something.
What?
My sunglasses.
Alex!
1 minute.
Fine. 1 minute.
Alex runs inside.
This is going to be a long weekend.
Title appears. A weekend trip that went wrong. Inside the car.
Okay, we are ready.
Yes.
Where are we going first?
To Green Lake.
And then,
To our hotel.
what is the hotel called?
Sunny Hill Hotel.
Do you know where it is?
Of course.
Good.
I think.
You think?
I have the address.
On your phone?
Yes.
Great. Open it.
Okay.
Alex looks at his phone.
Oh,
What?
my phone is at 3%.
3%?
Yep.
Alex, did you charge your phone last night?
I forgot.
You forgot to charge your phone?
Yes.
So where is the hotel?
On my phone.
And your phone has 3%.
Yes.
This is not good.
Don't worry.
Why?
I have the address in my email.
On your phone?
Yeah.
Alex!
Don't worry. 3% is enough.
For how long?
Maybe 10 minutes?
We need a plan.
We have a map.
A paper map?
No.
Then what map?
The map on my phone.
Oh no.
The car is driving on a small road.
Are we on the right road?
I think so.
You said that before.
Look at the map.
Give me the phone.
Here.
Okay. Green Lake is this way.
Yes.
And the hotel is here.
Yep.
So we turn left in 5 kilometers.
Okay.
Easy.
Very easy.
Maybe this trip will be fine.
See? I told you.
Wait.
What?
The road sign.
What about it?
It says Green Lake is right.
Right?
Yes.
But the map says left. Maybe the map is wrong.
Maps are usually not wrong.
My phone is old.
How old?
4 years.
Alex!
What?
Your phone is at 2%.
Oh,
We need to decide now.
let's go right.
Why?
The sign says right.
Okay. Right.
They turn right.
There. Problem solved.
I hope so.
A few seconds later.
Emma,
Yes?
I think we are lost.
Why?
Because I don't see Green Lake.
How long have we been driving?
20 minutes?
And where are we?
I don't know.
Great.
Clouds appear. Rain starts.
Oh,
What?
rain.
That's okay.
I don't like rain.
It's just rain.
It's getting stronger.
Turn on the lights.
Okay,
Slow down.
I'm driving slowly.
Good.
Can you see the road?
Yes, a little.
A little?
Yes.
Maybe we should stop.
We can't stop here.
Why not?
There is no place to stop.
Look, there is a small road.
Turn right.
Okay,
They turn onto a small road.
Wait.
what?
I think this is the wrong road.
Again?
Look at the sign.
What does it say?
Forest Road.
Maybe the lake is in the forest.
Maybe.
So let's go.
Alex, this is a very small road.
The car can go.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
They drive slowly.
Emma,
Yeah, what happened?
do you still have the map?
No.
Why?
Your phone died.
Oh,
So now we have no map.
we can ask someone.
Who?
I don't know.
There is nobody here.
Maybe someone is in the forest.
Alex!
Sorry.
The rain continues. The car stops.
The car doesn't move.
What?
We are stuck.
Seriously?
Yes.
Why did you turn here?
You said turn right.
I said turn right on the main road.
And this was right.
Alex!
Okay.
We should have stayed on the main road.
We should have followed the map.
We couldn't follow the map. Your phone died.
You could have charged it.
Me?
You had the charger.
What charger?
The car charger.
No, you had the car charger.
I did?
Yes.
Oh,
Where is it?
in my bag.
Get it?
Okay.
Alex opens the bag.
I can't find it.
Of course.
Wait.
What?
I found it.
Great.
But
What now?
it doesn't work.
Why?
I don't know.
This trip is a disaster.
Maybe it's an adventure.
No, it's a disaster.
A small disaster.
Alex!
Sorry.
The rain becomes lighter. They get out of the car.
Let's walk.
Where?
We need to find a road.
Okay.
Take your backpack.
It's heavy.
You have food in there.
And my camera.
Do you have water?
Yes.
How much?
1 bottle.
Give it to me.
Here.
It's empty.
What?
It's empty.
No, it isn't.
Look,
Oh,
we have no water.
maybe there is water at the lake.
We don't know where the lake is.
Right.
Let's keep walking.
Emma,
Yes?
I'm hungry.
You have food.
I have 1 sandwich.
Then eat it.
It's for lunch.
This is lunch.
It's only 11:30.
Then eat half.
Okay.
Alex eats. Want to improve your English while watching? Try FlyTalkAI, your AI English tutor.
Better.
Good.
Look,
What?
I see a road.
Really?
Yes.
Let's go.
They walk for a few minutes.
I see a building.
Is it a house?
No, look.
A cafe.
Yes.
Let's go inside.
They enter a small cafe.
Hello.
Hi.
Welcome.
Do you have water?
Yes, of course.
Great.
2 bottles, please.
Sure.
Sam gives them water.
Thank you.
You look tired.
We are.
Are you traveling?
Yes, we are going to Green Lake.
Green Lake.
Yes.
You are going the wrong way?
What?
Green Lake is not this way.
Oh no.
Where is it?
About 15 kilometers from here.
15?
Yes.
By car?
By car, maybe 20 minutes.
That's good.
But our car is on a small road.
Where?
Near the forest.
Forest Road?
Yes.
You took the wrong road.
We know.
Is your car okay?
I think so.
I hope so.
Don't worry. The road is not far from here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
They sit at a small table.
So, why are you going to Green Lake?
We want to have a quiet weekend.
We want to see the lake, take pictures, and relax.
Nice.
We planned everything.
Everything.
Yes,
Almost everything.
except the important things.
What happened?
My phone died.
We got lost.
It started raining.
We took the wrong road.
We had no water.
And we argued.
Sounds like a great trip.
A great trip?
Yes,
Why?
because you have a story.
We don't want a story. We want a holiday.
Sometimes the best holidays are not planned. What do you want to see at Green Lake?
The lake.
Just the lake.
Yes.
Then I have an idea.
What idea?
There is a beautiful place near here.
A beautiful place?
Yes, a small hill.
What's special about it?
You can see the lake, the forest, and the mountains.
From one place?
Yes.
Is it far?
No, about 30 minutes by car.
30 minutes?
Of course there is.
And is there a road?
Yes.
A real road?
A real road.
Good.
You can go there first.
And then Green Lake?
If you want,
What do you think, Emma?
I don't know.
We already lost half the day.
That's true.
The hill is beautiful in the afternoon.
What is the name?
Eagle Hill.
Eagle Hill.
Does it have eagles?
Sometimes,
I like it already.
How long can we stay there?
as long as you want.
Is it safe?
Yes.
Then let's go.
Wait,
What?
we still need to find our car.
I can show you the way.
Really?
Sure.
You are very helpful.
I know these roads.
Thank you, Sam.
No problem.
Can we have some food first?
Of course.
Alex,
What?
you just ate a sandwich.
That was a small sandwich.
We have soup.
Soup sounds perfect.
Fine.
2 soups.
2 soups.
And maybe some bread?
Alex!
Bread too.
Thank you.
Emma and Alex return to the car. Sam gives them directions.
Drive straight for 5 minutes.
Okay.
Then turn left.
Left? Got it.
After that, follow the signs to Eagle Hill.
Easy.
And don't take the forest road.
We won't.
Definitely not.
Good luck.
Thank you, Sam.
See you later.
They drive.
This road looks better.
Much better.
And look,
A sign.
Eagle Hill.
We found it.
Finally.
This trip is getting better.
Don't say that yet.
Why?
We still have to get there.
Right.
They continue driving.
Emma,
Yes?
do you hear that?
What?
Music.
Music?
Yes.
Maybe someone is having a party.
On a hill?
Maybe.
Let's see.
They arrive at the top of the hill.
Wow.
Wow.
Look at that.
The lake.
And the mountains.
And the forest.
It's beautiful.
Much better than the hotel.
We haven't seen the hotel yet.
I don't care.
Me neither.
Can we stay here?
Maybe.
Look at the sky.
The rain stopped.
And the sun is coming out.
This is amazing.
Emma,
Yes?
I'm happy we got lost.
Don't say that.
Why?
Because I don't want to get lost again.
Fair.
Sam arrives.
You made it.
Sam!
You came too?
I told you this place was beautiful.
You were right.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Very much.
Then maybe you don't need Green Lake today.
I think you're right. Alex,
Yes?
let's change our plans.
Really?
Yes.
No hotel?
Not today.
No Green Lake?
Maybe tomorrow.
And today?
Today, we stay here.
I like this plan.
There is a small guest house near the hill.
Really?
Yes. It's simple, but nice.
Does it have electricity?
Yes.
Wi-Fi?
Of course there is.
Perfect.
Alex,
What?
your phone is dead.
Oh, right.
Maybe that's a good thing.
Why?
No phone, no map, no problems.
I like that.
Sometimes it's good to stop looking at a screen.
I agree.
Me too.
The three look at the view.
This morning, we had a perfect plan.
And everything went wrong.
My favorite kind of wrong.
We got lost.
We got wet.
We had no water.
We argued.
And then,
We found this place.
Sometimes the wrong road takes you to the right place.
that's a good sentence.
Very good.
Remember it.
I will.
So, are you ready for the weekend?
Now I am.
Me too.
Enjoy your weekend.
Thank you, Sam.
Thank you.
And tomorrow,
Green Lake?
maybe.
Or maybe another wrong road.
Alex!
They laugh. Subscribe to the channel and watch the next videos.